Hi. Today I want to talk about something really personal about me, a tragedy which happened with me almostly 10 to 12 years ago. Some people asked me about, all the stitches and everything like that I have on my stomach, and even my hand is completely operated and stuff like that, if you can see that. Yeah. Situation here in Pakistan was not that much great. I don't want to discuss about much about that what really happened, and what was it all about. The it happened purposely or was a mistake or whatever it was and stuff. Uh, that person was forgiven as well, but the situation was bad here. Killing a person and all that, target killing and stuff was quite common here. So anyways, I don't want to talk about that. I just want to talk about what I went through and stuff, all those stitches and stuff, because I got some emails and stuff from some people and asking me that what exactly happened, what is this, gunshot injury it was, and it was a multiple shot. And I was my doctor was Dr. Nadeem Khurshidi. He's one of the famous doctors and really good doctor. He operated me, and it was successful. According to him, he told me that from 35 places my stomach was stitched, and it was a successful operation. You call a place, I think what he explained me, it was a, obviously I'm not a doctor, nor do I know, obviously I know a little bit about science, whatever I learned from bodybuilding and studies and stuff. But what he told me, where the person bleeds from, that place is called bleeder. So that place, he said that 35 places I was bleeding from. 35 जगह से खून निकल रहा था, where he stitched all of that. So I'll just like to show you a few of the things. You would be able to see this is my intestines, which he cut it open and stuff like that, and all these you see are the pellets and stuff, which are still inside my stomach. And if you see these are my hands were completely made again by doctor. It was a reconstructive surgery. You can see the plates and all that and stuff like that. It's got all these pallets and stuff, so you can see the condition of the hands. These are you can see the another part of the x-rays, which shows even the outer part of the stomach, even intestines and stuff, other parts that are have this. When this incident happened, when doctor came to me, he said to me the first time, he said, you cannot have आप बाहर का खाना नहीं खा सकते, आप जंक फूड नहीं खा सकते, आप कोल्ड ड्रिंक नहीं पी सकते, and all that stuff he said to me. You cannot do all that. But I was on, I think 10 or 11 days on ventilator, yeah, and all of my family and everybody lost hope, and somehow it was written for me to come back, and so I came back to life. And the thing is this, when doctor told me all that stuff कि आप ये नहीं कर सकते, वो नहीं कर सकते, the very first time when I came down from the hospital, they allowed me to walk, believe me or not, I just went and had the cold drink. The first thing I did, I said that might as well die tomorrow, might as well die today. In school I read somewhere, and it was शेर की एक दिन की जिंदगी गीदड़ के 100 साल की जिंदगी से बेहतर होती है. So it, to tell you, it just means something like that. I don't know what you call gidar in English, must be fox or something like that, but it just means that lions one day life is 100 years is far more better comparatively to what 100 years a fox lives. So I thought that might as well why to live like that. So doctor said to me, you'll not be able to ever work out. Yeah. Obviously, looking at my situation and stuff like that, he was not wrong. I'm not saying that he was wrong. He was like, he's a superb doctor, and he, like, whoever saw my reports and everything like that said, like, cannot imagine what he did. Obviously, his job was superb, whatever he did. But the thing is this, uh, the doctor said to me, I'll not be able to work out. तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. मैं आजकल अपने इर्द गिर्द के देखता हूँ, लोग बोलते हैं ये नहीं हो सकता, वो नहीं हो सकता, हम वर्कआउट नहीं कर सकते, मेरे से हाथ नहीं रुकता, खाने पे वो नहीं होता. Everything happens with your own willpower. If you're strong from your, like, mentally strong, then you can do anything, and I seriously mean anything. So, like, don't make anything as a factor. Yeah, people say I'm old. Definitely you're not old. You're old. I believe you're old. It's all in here. When you are mentally, you just think and prepare yourself that you're old, and that's it, you're done. But if you just have a willpower, yeah, and you think that, yeah, you still young, yeah, and you just, like, when you just don't die, yeah, till that you're young, then definitely you can. All the goals can be achieved, whatever you're looking for and stuff. It's nothing's impossible, everything can be achieved. You see all this and stuff, this is completely reconstructive. You can see all these stitches and stuff. Yeah, like, I work out with this. Yeah, and I see the young guys and stuff like that. I lift far more heavier than them. Yeah, and I try to do my best. Like, just now, getting out of shape and stuff. uh, I'm not in my country. I'm in another country at the moment. Just eating, getting fat, fat by fat by fat. The day I come and stuff, like, it's gonna be full fat. I'm gonna be, but, like, I'm gonna just, whatever I said, I'm gonna retransform myself and all that, six packs and all that and stuff. Like, just stay motivated. Yeah. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.